this is Bernadette, and welcome to teachersinbox.com. For our language, your children will learn the animal statements, the positive and the negative statements, and the action statement. So let's get started. What animal is it? A dog. A dog. A dog. A cat. A cat. A cat. A fish. A fish. A fish. A rabbit. A rabbit. A rabbit. A koala. A koala. A koala. A kangaroo. A kangaroo. A kangaroo. A panda. A panda. A panda. A horse. A horse. A horse. Now say the animal's name with me. Get ready. A dog. A dog. A dog. A cat. A cat. A cat. A rabbit. A rabbit. A rabbit. A koala. A koala. A koala. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. A kangaroo. A panda. A panda. A panda. A horse. A horse. A horse. Now all by yourselves, tell me what animal is it? Okay, now all by yourselves. I can say the sentence about what animal is it. It is a dog. It is a dog. It is a dog. Say the sentence with me. It is a dog. It is a dog. All by yourselves. Say the sentence about what animal is it. That's right. Again. Again. Excellent. It is a cat. It is a cat. It is a cat. Say the sentence with me. It is a cat. It is a cat. It is a cat. All by yourselves, say the sentence about what animal is it. Again. Again. Excellent. Next, it is a rabbit. It is a rabbit. It is a rabbit. Say the sentence with me. It is a rabbit. It is a rabbit. It is a rabbit. Now say the sentence about what animal is it. Again. Again. Perfect. Next, it is a koala. It is a koala. It is a koala. Say the sentence with me. It is a koala. It is a koala. It is a koala. Say the sentence about what animal is it. Again. Again. Good job. It is a kangaroo. It is a kangaroo. It is a kangaroo. Say the sentence with me. It is a kangaroo. It is a kangaroo. It is a kangaroo. Now say the sentence about what animal is it. Again. Again. Very good. Next. It is a panda. It is a panda. It is a panda. Say the sentence with me. It is a panda. It is a panda. It is a panda. Now all by yourself, say the sentence about what animal is it. Again. 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 That's right. It is a horse. It is a horse. It is a horse. Now say the sentence about what animal is it. It is a horse. It is a horse. It is a horse. Now tell me what animal is it. That's right, a dog. Say the sentence about what animal is it. It is a dog. Again. It is a dog. Again. It is a dog. All by yourself, say the sentence about what animal is it. That's right. Again. Again. Excellent. Question. Do you like dogs? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Now say the sentence with me. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Question. Do you like dogs? No, I don't. No, I don't. No, I don't. Say the sentence with me. Do you like dogs? No, I don't. No, I don't. No, I don't. Now all by yourselves. Do you like dogs? Do you like dogs? Again. Do you like dogs? Again. Do you like dogs? Question. Do you like cats? Do you like rabbits? Do you like horses? Do you like kangaroos? If this is your first time in this video, please consider to click the subscribe button and the bell notification for more video updates.